Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? So I keep talking to you about smart smile design. In this case, I want to emphasize how you can do smart smile design without harming your tooth. What do I mean without harming? Without abrasion, anything. This patient, she told me she has beautiful teeth 10 years ago, but as time passed, she lost her beautiful teeth. Why? They got shorter. Because of gravity, the lips grew, and she was brushing too harsh. The surface has lost some enamel. As we all know, enamel is the outer layer of the tooth. Under that we have the dentin, and in the middle we have the pulp. We have to be very careful in preserving the healthy tooth structures. That's why we developed a technique, non-prep, no shaving, veneers. This is a very hard design to do. Why? Because they have to be fabricated really thin. I have an in-house lab in my clinic. In my clinic I do these under the microscope. So I designed the smile upper and lower teeth. Because she lost her vertical dimension, we do a full mouth reconstruction. We raise the vertical dimension with onlays. I put onlays on the back tooth, and then I make veneers. And what did I say? I do non-prep. I clean the surfaces. I cement my new veneers on your tooth. The cemented veneers stay there. They cannot come off. They stay there for approximately 10 years. Maybe after 10 years we need to change them. Can you remove them without harming your tooth? Yes. There are special lasers that we use, and you can remove those veneers with laser. So when I remove them with the laser, your tooth is there. This project took me approximately 1 week to do. So if you come to Istanbul, stay for a couple of days, I will give you the perfect smile design. I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions, please write to me and don't hesitate to call us. Thank you.